On number 8, we're given this equation, x squared minus 8x plus 65 equals 0, and we're asked to solve it with complex numbers in our answer. So we could solve this by either completing the square or using the quadratic formula. I'll do it by completing the square since that's a little bit harder and you guys would probably want to see that method done. So to complete the square, we need to bring the constant term to the right side. So subtract 65 from both sides. And you're going to be left with x squared minus 8x equals negative 65. Now you need to take half of this middle term, which is negative 4, and then square it, which would be 16. So add 16 to both sides. Negative 65 plus 16 gives us negative 49. Now you have a perfect square trinomial here, so you can factor that down into x minus 4 squared equals negative 49. Now from here you can take the square root of both sides, and you are left with x minus 4 equals plus or minus the square root of negative 49. Now, since you can't have the square root of a negative number, you're going to need to change this into I times the square root of 49. Now, the square root of 49 is 7, so you'll be left with 7i. Then you can add 4 to both sides, and you're left with x equals 4 plus or minus 7i. And that will be your answer. So the answer to 8 is D, 4 plus or minus 7i.